You may have heard that you can restore a SharePoint library or read an article mentioning this option, but when you try to find it, you realize that it is not available. In this video, I will show you how to find this option. So here we are in the library that I messed up, and now I need to restore this entire library. Let's go to the settings and look at the menu. Take a look at the library settings option. There is nothing there. The restore this library option is supposed to appear right below the library settings, but it is missing. Now watch this. We click on the library settings, then click more library settings. The settings page opens, but we won't find our option here either. Instead, we'll locate our library in the left panel. It is version demo 2, and we will navigate back to it. Let's click it. We are now back in the library where we started. But this time, if we go to the settings, the restore this library option has appeared right under library settings. Let's select restore this library, and as you can see, we are now on the restore page. If you decide to restore the library at a later time and click cancel, when you return to the library, you will have to go through the same acrobatics we just did to navigate back to the restore page. As you can see, the restore this library option has disappeared again. Let's do this one more time. Notice that this behavior is consistent. You will have to use this workaround every time you need to restore the library, unless Microsoft fixes it. Now that you know how to find this option, I caution you to use it carefully until you fully understand how it works. I'm preparing a video where I'll show you how easy it is to mess up a library and lose all your files if you're not mindful of some quirks that restore option has.